Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the one bed apartment floor plan. Here we discuss the circulation of apartment, the spaces, the bedroom, the kitchen, the attached washroom, as well as the furniture layout. Here if we enter to the apartment, here is the entry. Here is a hall of foyer. Here is a privacy wall. This is a privacy wall for the whole apartment. Here if we enter to apartment, this is kitchen. That kitchen. Here is a dining table. After that we are going to enter to a bath, attached bath. Here is a bathing tub with vanity. Here is toilet. And from here we can enter to a bedroom. Here is a cabinet. With cabinets, here is bedroom, and here is proper ventilation for ventilation purpose. Here is window. So if we enter to a living room, so here is sofas for sitting area. So here this is TV wall. With TV wall, here is a back window. With window, there is sitting area for study purpose. Here you can study. Here is a bookshelves. So if we see the dimension of this plan, here we can see 4.3 meter, 4.5 meter, 2.7 meter, 4.2 meter, 4.28 meter, 4.6 meter, and 3.50 meter, 1.72 meter. After that we are moving toward the 3D of this apartment. Here we can see the whole axonometric 3D. Here we can enter to apartment. Here is a privacy wall with wall. Here is kitchen and the dining table. The dining table there is in the back of kitchen. Here's washroom with tub. Here is tub. Here is vanity. After that, if we enter to a bedroom, here's cabinets with bed. After that, in the living room, here is the sofa for sitting area. In the front of the sofa, here is TV wall with study area. Here is bookshelves with study purpose, and this is the proper back window for the purpose of fenestration and for the proper lighting purpose for the natural lighting. Here is the whole 3D for one bed apartment. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel, please subscribe it for more updated videos, for more updated plans. See you in the next video. Have a good day, dear. Thanks for watching.